Justin. Pablo.
I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you.
Okay. How about Stel? You guys want to see something like that?
What do you want to see?
We definitely want to see Stel.
I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you.
Ayan pala.
How about Justin? Hindi ka dance sa'yo. Para bahala. I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you. Sagot ka dyan si Tita Gemma. Maraming ka na. Tita Gemma, oh.
Sino gusto makakita sa inyo? Tatlong ikot ng hips. Tatlong ikot.
Gunay daw, gunay.
Moonlight.
Addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you. Last night na yung pagtatanto. Siyempre may finale pa sa Manila.
Yeah.
Pero since special kayo, kaya ginawa ko na namin yun.
Sa finale, mas marami daw kembo.
Mas maraming game.
Si Josh! Josh!
Gusto ko sana makita yung tatlong ikot, ay yung dalawang ikot ng hips.
Next time. Gagawin ko ang
Next time.
So, how are you guys? Are you still okay? Are you still enjoying? Are you still okay? Say, I'm okay. Nandiyan ko tas ka? Yun ang alam ko eh. Well, if you like our song, thank you so much. Well, but we will be releasing a new one soon. Are you guys excited for Moonlight? Are you guys excited for Moonlight? Oh, Sam, we are also excited that we really prepared something for you guys. What? What? I can't hear you guys. Calm down.
Yung ano ba?
You guys wanna hear Moonlight? Siyempre, ginawa namin sa Dubai, dapat gagawin din namin. Sample daw, sample. 5, 6, 7, and boom! Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, doing what we do in the moonlight. Are you guys excited for Moonlight? Yeah, kami rin sobrang excited and we really prepared something for you guys. We're really excited and we're very expect. Yeah. I just want to say na sobrang happy. We're so happy tonight because just like what happened in the US and in Canada, we are seeing foreigners like Japanese locals here singing to our songs, singing along with our songs. Salamat po, maraming salamat. Sobrang nakaka-proud. We're so proud na yeah, thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu. That nare-reach na ng kanta namin yung global scene. And thank you. Diba? So, gusto kong pasalamatan kayo lahat, A-Team, because without you guys, we won't be receiving this much love from all over the world. So, props to all of you. Sigoy. Again.
And of course, since it's our last stop for our Asia tour, we hope that this night is the best night for you tonight in the moonlight. So thank you so much for making this night the best night for us as well. Yes.
And
Yeah, go.
of course, even if it's just a simple one, we know also na hindi siya yung tipong gaya ng ibang concert na iba na sobrang bongga talaga. But seeing you guys here finally,